Welcome back to my channel, Nails by Tashi. Today's video, we do these super beautiful, this is a full set of acrylic toenails. I used nail form stickers to do these, and then we put on some flame decals and some glitter on there. I love how these turned out. These are a little bit longer. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. Keep watching, like, and subscribe. Okay, so we're gonna get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is put this form on her big toe. I'm gonna put this little back on here like that. Roll it around and try to fit it underneath her toenail on both sides. You might have to like grab something to kind of press it under there with carefully. There we go. Once you get it under there, you'll just close that bottom part down here. And I'll put that under there. So we've got that one on. Now I'm just gonna go in with my acrylic and make the toenail. That one dry and go to the second toe. We'll put this. These form stickers are just a little bit smaller, so they work better for these other toenails. So just go ahead and put that on there, and then I will just make the toenail. This one is dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off of here. Right, so for this one I had to trim the form just a little bit so it could fit better. So now I'll just put it on there like the other ones. So I'm going to go ahead and take these off. Alright, so I've got my last form here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on her last toe. It's easier if you take them off before you kind of put one on next to it just because there's not a lot of space in between the toenails or the toes. Alright, so now we're just going to make the last toenail. These are all nice and dry, so now I'm just going to go in and I'll square up all the edges, and if there's any like big bumps or anything, I will file those down. So we have these little nail decal stickers, so I'm just going to go in and put these on there along with some glitter. Make sure you get all that dust off of there. Clear powder here. I'm just going to go in and I will cover that sticker up. So you just need like a pretty thin coat, just something that you can buff on top of. I'm going to put a little bit of glitter on this one too, so I'll just take a little bit of the acrylic and dip it in my glitter. And you just need a little tiny bit, so we'll throw this extra over here. So I'm just using like a really small amount of acrylic to just put a little bit of glitter on here. And make sure you keep it nice and thin and smooth. Go in with my stickers. I'm using a different color but the same size ones. So I will put this on and then I'm going to go in and cap this, put a little bit of glitter on here too. So now I'll just put the other ones on. I go in and I will add a little bit of glitter and then I will cap them all in the clear. After that acrylic is dry, you're just going to go through and just buff all the nails and just get them nice and smooth before you put on that top coat. All buffed and filed, so now I'm just going to go in with my gel top coat and put that on all the nails. So these are all finished, so I'm just going to go in with the cuticle oil. These are so cute. I love this glitter and the little flame decals on here. Tell me what you guys think. Make sure you go and subscribe to Bethany Lynn. So cute. Oh my gosh.